Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Keywords. So, guys, I hope you all will be fine. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. So, guys, today my topic is elephant plant ears. So, guys, I have a question for you. Please answer this question in comment box. So, my question is, if elephant ear plants could have a superpower, what would it be? Please answer me in comment box. So, now back to topic. And my topic is, I'll give you some beautiful ideas about elephant plant ears. Here are some ideas and suggestions for incorporating elephant plant ears in your garden or indoor space. Number one is focal point plant. Use a large Alocasia plant. What its impressive elephant ear shaped leaf as a striking focal point in your garden. Plant is in a prominent spot where its size and unique foliage can be appreciated. Container gardening. Elephant plants here thrive in containers, making them excellent choices for patios, balconies, or indoor spaces. Select a decorative pot or planter that complements the plant's dramatic leaves and place it in is a well lit area with indirect sunlight. Tropical oasis. Create a lush tropical oasis by pairing elephant plants airs with other tropical plants. Combine them with plants like fern, palms, and colorful flowering varieties of evoke a vibrant and exotic atmosphere. Layered landscape. Incorporate elephant plants here into layer garden beds to add texture and depth. Their large leaves can provide an attractive backdrop for smaller plants or serve as a mid-height element in mixed planting. Water feature. Consider placing elephant plants ears near water featuring such as pond or fountain. The plant's bold leaves can beautifully